How to redeem Chipotle promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and here search for Chipotle promo code and press enter. Then out of the search results, you're going to find different websites that offer Chipotle's promo code. You can basically open any one of them. I have opened the one called couponfollow.com. From here, you can check out different offers. Click on see details to get more details on that promo code. And over here, if you do not like this one, you can simply head back and search for other promo codes which might be best for you. So here's one that says save with code, one with free delivery, $4 off, 10% off, 30% off. So you can basically choose any one of them. Click on show coupon code and from here you can copy your coupon code. You can check out the offer details as well before you do that. Once you have copied the coupon code, you can simply click on redeem at Chipotle, which is going to open the Chipotle's website and you can redeem it from there as well. If you do not find the promo code you're looking for in one website, you can browse other websites as well, such as this one, which is latimes.com. Simply scroll down and find the offer which is best for you. Sometimes you do not even have to copy the promo code. You can simply use the deal in the website itself. For that, click on Visit Chipotle and then that's going to redirect you to the Chipotle's website. Here, the first thing you want to do is sign into your account. For that, enter your email ID and password and click on the sign in option. Once you have signed in, you simply want to choose from a popular food items on the Chipotle menu. Then add your order to cart and make your way to the checkout page. Paste your Chipotle promo code to access the instant saving on Chipotle and then you can enjoy your promo code and discount. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.